This video will provide an overview of the LS-DYNA to ISO-MME automation in Reporter in Oasys 21. This video covers the LS-DYNA to ISO-MME automation in Reporter. If you have not already seen the LS-DYNA to ISO-MME YouTube video that covers the tool as a standard workflow, please watch it first. Before I run through a demo using Reporter, please be aware that it's possible to run this template in batch mode, which is a great way of automatically generating the channels required to upload on Euro NCAP VTC server in ISO-MME format after each LS-DYNA run. For more details about running Reporter template in batch, please consult the Reporter manual. For the purpose of this demo, I've already set up my automotive assessments and LS-DYNA to ISO-MME workflow JSON data in Primer using the standard workflow process. However, it contains some invalid data to show you the process. You do not have to set up the workflow data before running the Reporter template. Once you have started Reporter, click on Automotive tab, filter by virtual testing, and then select LS-DYNA to ISO-MME. Once open, you will be prompted to select LS-DYNA keyword file of the job you wish to post-process. You will then be asked whether you want to continue with the default result and output directories or configure them in Primer. I will accept the default directories. THIS will then launch automatically to check your model data. It will show all the invalid or missing data in a window. You can choose to proceed with the data you have or edit it. If yes is selected, Primer will open. I also mentioned earlier that you do not need any workflow data to run the Reporter template. It is at this stage where you can set it all up from scratch if you wish. It will show that same list in a window. If I press OK, then Primer Automotive Assessments loads up. I have given wrong beam ID for pubic force extraction. We have to edit under dummy. I'll fix it now and save to file. Once I've done this, Primer will close and THIS will automatically launch again to generate the report. If there is still missing data, Reporter will attempt to generate the report with as much data as it has available. Where images can't be produced, missing channel will be shown on the graph title with empty graph. THIS will write config file required for ISO-MME export and open a new THIS session in batch mode to export ISO-MME channel data. Once this is done, Reporter will generate the report. On the first two pages of the report, an overview of the result is presented. The following page shows image of each channel. Thank you. Please check out other Oasys 21 burst video on virtual testing.